This is going to be an update on my Nans Optimus. So the installer has just been and he had to replace the back plate. I could not have the, he wouldn't let me have the thing because he had to send it back, but he's replaced the back plate and I've also stuck this on all the zones, and he has gave me something else. I won't tell you now because I'll do a video of that when I get home. So I'm going to go ahead and press 2. That's the strobe. The problem before was the strobe wasn't working. Now it does work. So, I don't know if you can see. There we are. You can just about see it working. Yep, so I'm going to go in and stop that. So press 2 to stop. Then if you listen, hear the external sound that was. So there we are. So it all seems to be working as it should now. And there we are. So like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.